Welcome back into the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. In this particular video, we are looking at 5 meme coins that crypto millionaires are accumulating or have already bought. These are coins I speculate that over the coming weeks will increase in price and still have explosive potential. Now, this is where, of course, in the meme coin sector, things get a bit risky. You're in the Wild West. However, we've heard the stories. Flipping $1,000 into 1 million is not unheard of, and it can happen in these very lucrative markets. So at the moment, you can see crypto fear and greed index is 70. Loads of investors and analysts are speculating that Bitcoin is making its way to $85,000 very soon. And also, guys and girls, if you are new here, subscribe to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel to stay in the know of the most relevant news out there in the crypto space and hit your crypto goals this 2024. So coin number one is going to be, of course, the OG Shiba Inu right here, which is very much holding resiliently. It had 2 dips down to 2.4 and again to this 2.4 region twice, but it has not yet slipped away below the 2.3, the 2.2, and it has not yet gone down to like 0.000019 recently. So this is good. We can see, of course, it's holding quite nicely. And in fact, today we're seeing a really nice 6-hour candle here for Shiba Inu. We can actually see we've got 2 consecutive green candles on the 4-hour. We've now just tapped into 0.000028 territory. Now, I still think, it's possible to, of course, get a rejection here and come back down and retest the 0.2341 level. And even some analysts believe that 0.19 will happen. And some, people are actually filling orders here around this region to fill a long position on a trade. But for me, I don't know. It's very much speculation. Now, we've traded in this sort of zone for 35 days. So, pardon me, things are getting pretty boring, right? Things are getting boring. People tend to get bored. They move on to something else. They sell in a loss. And, when people do sell in a loss, those same whales that bought the dip and already sold in a 5x, when you start selling in a loss, of course, they're reaccumulating the overall dip as well and dipping back into it, getting ready for the overall next ride to the upside. So at the moment, we are getting a nice bullish reversal here, and you can see that Shiba Inu has been trading, of course, in W patterns, bullish reversal pattern right there as well. So Shiba Inu will be coin number one in this video. I think, overall, I think we have to see Shiba Inu reach a new all-time high. Otherwise, it just kind of defeats the objective of meme coins. And I guess Shiba Inu will just be laughing stock for the rest of its kind of crypto sort of lifetime. Overall. So Shiba Inu, coin number one, $16.53 billion market cap. The previous market cap at all-time high was sitting at around $37.97 billion. I do think Shiba will hit an all-time high in the next coming weeks, so keep your eyes peeled on it. If you do want to grab some of these tokens, there's plenty of exchanges to do so. You've got all these different exchanges, and you already know that Shiba is like the OG. It's one of the top 5 out there in terms of market capital. This takes us to coin number 2 in this particular video, Dogecoin 20, which is launching now in just 15 days, only 15 days until Doge 20 launches. It's listing and launching on International Doge Day, which is April 20. This is a very bullish alignment, a very bullish deployment strategy as well. Because with it being International Doge Day, this is where Elon Musk could start opening his trap again, and he might, send memes to the moon, and it's not unheard of that he can do that. He has that influence. He does have that power. So no more inflation with this Doge 20 ecosystem, because the original Dogecoin is played with heavy inflation and has trillions and trillions of coins. So the token value is diluted. Now we can see there is a strong roadmap with Dogecoin 20, but 140 billion maximum tokens, which does make a dollar potentially feasible and possible based on this. So one Doge 20 is $0.00022. If you do want to grab yourself some Dogecoin 20 before it sells out, the link is right down below, and it could literally sell out at any moment. So if you do want to get some, convert Ethereum or Tether into it using my link right down below over there. Dogecoin 20, 13.1k followers. You can see claim going live on April 20 over here. So yeah, guys, we're not far away. Coin number 3 in this particular video will be Slothana. Now, if you've recently been inspired by coins like Pondu, Slurf, or Boom, Book of Meme, then you know why those did well. It's all about getting in early, getting in before the mainstream media, and those coins did over 100x. So Slothana is another send to Solana themed Solana ecosystem / meme coin / pre-sale right here. So remember, guys, all of this is high risk, high reward entity and not financial advice, but you can send your SOL tokens to this address directly and then get an airdrop, or you can simply buy OTC on the embedded DEX right here through either wallet of your choice, and also get those Slothana tokens at some point in the near future. So looks really cool. Very simple. The sloth is the meme character here. How to buy with Solana. You just hit buy now above and connect your wallet, and boom, there you go. Tokens will be airdropped to your wallet after the pre-sale completes. And the date is, of course, to be confirmed at the moment. Slothana has 10.7k followers at the moment. You can see each tweet of theirs got so many impressions, so many likes, so many retweets. This one here is actually quite a new one. You can see just in the 1 hour right there, already 225 likes. And overall, yeah, looks pretty good. I think we could see potentially Slothana climb the ladder and maybe be up there with, you know, Slurf and all those other big daddies, right? So 10.8k followers, that is absolutely insane. They are following just Binance. Coin number 4 is going to be Book of Meme, $0.01594 at the moment, with a good price tag actually. And it has been over the last sort of month just trading in a nice ascending channel. I can't believe it was literally, that's crazy. I mean, we're sitting in April. This has been live for over 2 weeks. How time flies. So it did, of course, have a euphoric run up to 0.0263, and since then has corrected quite extravagantly, but it is trading in an ascending channel, as we can see right here. And I think overall, $878 million market capitalization. I think this one can go to like $3, $4, maybe $5 billion at the top of the bull run, being Book of Meme here. Certainly is holding really strong and could easily hit a new or potential all-time high in the future. 143.6k followers on Twitter, and every single day, of course, they're pushing, they're growing, they're tweeting out, and you know, it's just a solid ecosystem. It's one of the top Solana ecosystems out there. So for that reason, this is coin number 4. Coin number 5 is going to be Slurf. Slurf indeed has pumped from 0.38 to 0.44 on the day, and I honestly just think, looking at the charts, it's not going to go below this 0.38 level again, and I think this is a good dollar cost average region. I reckon it's oversold in its relative strength index, and it's got $222.334 million market capitalization. So 5x takes it, well, up to an all-time high of $1 billion, but that is realistic, right, with this level of growth that we're seeing here. And Slothana is one of the top coins, sorry, Slurf is one of the top coins out there. So yeah, Slurf, absolutely worth also looking at. We can see the supply is 100% already circulating, and from a market perspective, it's already on HTX, Gate, Radium, MEXC. It's not on, of course, Coinbase and Binance, but that always leaves room for the future, right? Now, Slurf is just super simple. Look how simple this website is. So simple. And of course, their Twitter as well, being over here. They've got 111k followers or whatever. This is another one that I do perceive could do quite well out there in the crypto markets. So let's see what can happen. There's 5 meme coins that you can potentially have a look at. Each, in my opinion, have, you know, 2 to 100x potential. I think Dogecoin and Slothana have the largest potential. We could see Slothana, if it launches around a 10 mil market cap, do a 1000x to, you know, like $10 billion. It's something that could happen, right? We've seen it happen before with projects that launch and go absolutely wild. Bitcoin is looking quite strong today. It's finally waking up from its lull. Hopefully we'll get some more continuation. It did find some decent support at $61,000, and again, that particular correction from the local high of $73,000, which was a newly written in all-time high, you know, that's around a 15% correction from there. So good to see the buyback pressure. We've got the Bitcoin halving just roughly 2 weeks away, and I think that just being around the corner is overall going to keep the sentiment bullish for now. So let's have a look, see what's going to happen. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe. And to summarize this video, we had coin number 1 being Shiba Inu, the OG meme coin right here. Definitely looks like it's consolidating, and soon we'll do something crazy and blast to the upside. We've got Dogecoin 20, a new pre-sale ICO on the ERC20 network, launching soon. You can check out the link down below. We then have Slothana. 1 Solana token equals 10,000 Sloth tokens. If you want to get into this one soon before it ends, which will be very soon, by the way, you can also check out the link down below and join the Slothana ICO on the Solana ecosystem. Coin number 4 was, of course, then Book of Meme, which is, you know, still looking pretty good actually on the day. It's come up from lows of 0.0151 to 0.0159, lacking on volume a little bit though. And then coin number 5 is Slurf itself, still lacking on volume, but of course the market isn't 100% bullish yet. We're missing that search volume, we're missing the traffic, the euphoria, and all the things that retail investors FOMO back into. So that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was insightful, and yeah, also get yourself into the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord down below if you wish, and make sure you hit that notification notification bell so you stay up to date with the latest 99 Bitcoins YouTube content. More big things coming soon. And yeah, it's all about giving back to the community as well. So see you soon. Take care and stay crypto safe.